question 3 question paper is in front of you. The unofficial answers are: the first question, the sources of electromagnetic waves can be a charge. The correct answer is option B. Then we move to the second question. In a refraction, light waves are bent on passing from one medium to second medium, because in the second medium the answer is option B. Next we will move to the third question. If the refractive index from air to glass is 3/2 and that from air to water is 4/3, then the ratio of focal length of a glass lens is water and in air is, the option is number 4. Option is number 4. Then we will move to the fourth question. Two thin biconvex lenses have focal length f1 and f2. A third thin biconcave lens has focal length of f3. If the two biconvex lenses are in contact, the total power of the lenses is P1. If the first convex lens is in contact with the third lens, the total power is P2. If the second lens is in contact with the third lens, the total power is P3. Then the correct answer is option 4, means D. Then we will move to the question number 5. The size of the image of an object which is of infinity as formed by a convex lens of focal length 30 cm is 2 cm. If a concave lens of focal length 20 cm is placed between the convex lens and the image at a distance of 26 cm from the lens, the new size of the image is, the option D is the correct answer. Next we will move to the sixth question. The sixth question is: a slit of width A is illuminated by red light of wavelength 6500 Armstrongs. If the first refraction minimum falls at 30 degree, then the value of A is, the correct option is option D is the correct option. B is the correct option. Next 7. Which of the statement are correct with the reference to single slit diffraction pattern? The correct option is option A. Next we will move to the eighth question. In the Young's double slit experiment, a monochromatic source of wavelength lambda is used. The intensity of light passing through each slit is I. The intensity of light reaching the screen SC at a point P, a distance x from O is given by, take D is greater or smaller than D. The right option is A. Then we will move to the ninth question. The work function of a metal is 1 eV. Light of wavelength 3000 Armstrong is incident on this metal source surface. The velocity of emitted photoelectrical will be, the correct option is option D. Then we will move to the next question. The question number 10. A proton moving with a momentum P1 has a kinetic energy 1/8 of its rest mass energy. Another light photon having energy equal to the kinetic energy of the proton possesses a moment P2. Then the ratio of P1 minus P2 divided by P1 is equal to, the correct answer is C. Then we will move to the next question. According to Einstein's photoelectric equation, the graph between kinetic energy of photoelectrons ejected and the frequency of incident radiation is, the correct option is option C. Next we will move to the question number 12. Energy of an electron in the second orbit of hydrogen atom is E2. The energy of electron in the third orbit of helium will be, the right option is C1. Next we will move to the 13th question. The figure shows standing B Borgale waves due to the revolution of electrons in a certain orbit of hydrogen atom. Then the expressions of the orbit radius is, the correct option is option A. Then we will move to the next question. The question number 14. An electron in an excited state of lithium ion has an angular moment 3 hour by 2 pi. The de Broglie's wavelength of electron in this state is P pi Armstrongs. The value of P is, the correct answer is option B. Next we will move to the next 15th question. Which graph is the following diagrams correctly represents the potential energy of a pair of nucleus as function of their separations? The correct option is option D. Next we will move to the next 16th question. In a nuclear reactor, heavy nuclei is not used as moderator because here the correct answer is option B. B is the correct answer. Next we will move to the next questions. The question number 17. The circuit given represent which of the logic operations is there? Here the correct answer is answer option B. Next we will move to the next 18th question. Identify the incorrect statements. Here incorrect statements, right option is option B. Next we will move to the 19th question. 3 photodiodes D1, D2 and D3 are made up of semiconductors having band gaps of 2.5 electronic volt and 2 eV and 3 eV respectively. Which one of will be able to detect light of wavelength 600 m? Then the correct answer is answer C. Next we will move to the 20th question. For a body moving along a straight line, the following VT graph is obtained. According to the graph, the displacement during is the correct option is option B. Next we will move to the next question. The question number 21. A particle starts from rest. Its accelerations A versus time t is shown in the figure. The maximum speed of the particle will be. The correct option is option B. B is the correct option. Then we will move to the 22nd question. The 22nd question will be the maximum range of gun on horizontal plane is 16 km. If g is equal to 10 meter centimeter, then muzzle velocity of a shell is. The correct answer is option C, 400 meter per second. Next we will move to the 23. The trajectory of a projectile is. The correct option is option D. Next we will move to the 24th question. For a projectile motion, the angle between the velocity and acceleration is minimum and acute at. The correct option is option A. Next we will move to the 25th question. A particle starts from the origin at t is equal to 0 with a velocity of 10 and moves in the x minus y plane with the constant acceleration of meter per second square at an instant when the x coordinate of the particle is 16 meter, y coordinate of the particle is. The correct answer for 25 question, the answer is D. Next we will move to the question 26. A coin placed on a rotating turntable just slip if it is placed at a distance of 4 cm from the center. If the angular velocity of the turntable is doubled, it will just slip at a distance of. The correct answer for the 26th question is A. Next we will move to the 27th question. A 1 kg ball moving at 12 meter per second collides with a 2 kg ball moving in opposite directions at 24 meter per second. If the coefficient of restoration is 2/3, then their velocity after the collision are. The correct answer is answer B. Next we will move to the 28th question. A ball hits the floor and rebounds after an inelastic collision in the case. The correct option is option C is the correct option. Next 29. In figure E and V centimeter represents the total energy and speed of center of mass of an object of mass 1 kg in pure rolling. The object is. The correct option is option A. Next we will move to the 30th question. Two bodies of masses 8 kg are placed at the vertices A and B of an equal triangle ABC. A third body of mass 2 kg is placed at the centroid G of the triangle. If A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1 meter, where should a fourth body of mass 4 kg be placed so that the resultant force on the 2 kg? The correct answer is answer C. Then we will move to the next question 31. Two capillary tubes P and Q are dipped vertically in water. The height of water level in capillary tube P is 23rd of the height in capillary tube Q. The ratio of their diameter is. The correct answer is answer B. Next we will move to the 32. Which of the following curves represents the variation of coefficient of volume expansion of ideal gas at constant pressure. The correct answer is answer B. Next we will move to the 33. The 33 option is option D is the correct answer. Next we will move to the 34 question. A gas mixture contains monoatomic and diatomic molecular of 2 moles each. The mixture has a total internal energy of symbol have. The correct option is option A. Next we will move to the 35 question. A pendulum oscillates simple harmonically if one and only if is. The answer is C. Next 36. The propagate both longitudinal and transverse waves a material must have. The correct answer is answer B. A copper 37 question. A copper rod AB of length A1 is rotated about end A with a constant angular velocity. The electric field at a distance x from the axis of rotation is option A. Then a 38 question. Electric field due to infinite straight and uniformly charged wire varies with distance r is. The option is option B. Next 39 question. A 2 gram object located in a region of uniform electric field E carries a charge Q. The object released from rest A at x is equal to 0 has kinetic energy of 0.12 joules at x is equal to 0.5 meters. Then Q use. The option is option C. Next we will move to the next question, 40th question. The 40th question. If a slab of insulating materials, so then the option 40th question option C. Next we will move to the 41. 8 drops of mercury of equal radii combine to form a big drop. The capacitance of a bigger drop as compared to each smaller drop is. The correct answer is answer A. Next we will 42 question. Which of the statement is false in the case of polar molecules? Then the answer is answer B is the correct answer. Next 43. An electrician requires a capacitance of 6 Armstrong F in a circuit across a potential difference of 1.5 kV. The correct answer is for 43 question. Answer is B. Next we will move to the 44. In figure, charge on the capacitor is plotted against potential difference across the capacitor. For the 44 question, the correct answer is answer A. Next we will move to the 45 question. So in 45 question, a wire of resistance of 3 ohms is stretched to twice the original length. The correct answer is D. Next we will move to the 46 questions. In the given arrangement of experiment on a meter bridge, if AD corresponds to null deflection, for this 46 question, the correct answer is answer A. Next we will move to the 47. A copper wire of length 1 meter and a uniform cross-sectional area of 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter per second carries. For this question, the correct answer is answer D is the correct answer. For 48, consider an electrical conductor connected across a potential difference V. Let Q be a small charges. For the 48 question, the correct answer is B, 1 and 2. Next 49, a strong magnetic field is applied on a stationary electrical, then the electrons. For this one question, the C is the correct answer. Next we will move to the 50th question. So 50th question says, two parallel wires in a free space are 10 cm apart and each carries a current of 10 A. For the 50th question, the correct answer is answer A. Next 51 question, a toroid with a thick winding of n turns has inner and outer radii R1 and R2. For this question 51, the correct answer is answer C. Next we will move to the 52. A tightly wound long solenoid has n turns per unit length. For the 52 questions, the correct answer is answer B is the correct answer. Next 53. Earth's magnetic field always has a horizontal component except at. For this question, the correct answer is answer B. Next 54. Which of the following field patterns given below is valid for electric field? For this question, the correct answer is answer D. Next, we will move to the 55th question. So 55th question says the current flowing through an inductant coil of self inductance 6 mH is the correct answer is answer. The correct answer is answer B. Then 56th question, the physical quantity which is measured in the unit of WBA minus 1 is the 56th question. Correct answer is answer D. Next we will move to the 57. What will be the reading in the voltmeter and ammeter of the circuit shown? The correct answer is answer 9 volt and 2 ampere. Next 58. LC oscillations are similar and analogous. For this 58th question, the correct answer is answer A, reciprocal of capacitive reactance. Next we will move to the 59th question. The 59th question says that in an oscillating LC circuit L is equal to 3.0 mH. The correct answer is answer A. Next we will move to the last question. Suppose that the electric field amplitude. For this question, the correct answer is answer C. So for that, this is the KSET Physics C3 version. So I want to confirm you that and declare that these are the unofficial answers. So we shall wait for the government key answers. Thank you so much.